Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Polymer Clay Kits is probably one of the most rewarding and versatile crafting experiences you can have, offering endless creative possibilities from jewelry making to miniature sculpting. And this video will help you navigate the world of Polymer Clay Kits, uncovering the best options for beginners and experienced crafters alike, comparing features, quality, and value to help you choose the perfect kit to unleash your inner artist. Number 5. CiaraQ Polymer Clay Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for unleashing your creativity. It includes everything you need to start crafting. It boasts 36 different colors of polymer clay, each weighing 1 ounce, 28 g. That's a total of 2.22 pounds, 1008 g, of crafting potential. Made from non-toxic and environmentally friendly materials, it's safe for kids and artists of all ages. It's free of common allergens and meets Aestd-ST 4236 safety standards. This clay never hardens, making it reusable and perfect for blending colors. The individually wrapped packs keep it fresh and easy to use. Create small ornaments, model animals, or any character you can dream up. It's great for kids, beginners, classrooms, and home use. The kit comes with 5 sculpting tools, an accessory pack, a project booklet, and a convenient 2-layer storage box. It's perfect for budding artists aged 4 and up. If you have any quality issues, contact us for a free replacement. What we like? It boasts an impressive 36 colors and comes with all the tools and accessories you'll need to get started. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to unleash your creativity, this is the perfect choice for both kids and adults. This all-in-one kit is ideal for families or classrooms wanting a wide variety of colors and everything needed for a fun crafting experience. Number 4. CiaraQ 24-Color Polymer Clay Kit. Introduce your kids to the exciting world of polymer clay. It's a fun and easy way to spark their imagination and develop their creativity. Each colorful block is perfectly sized for little hands. They're easy to work with and great for making all sorts of fun creations. Made from safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly materials, it meets the highest safety standards. You can craft with peace of mind. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this kit is perfect for making small ornaments, animals, or anything you can imagine. You can bake it in the oven, boil it, or even use a hairdryer. Instructions are included for each method. Remember to knead the clay gently before use to soften it. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. This kit makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. It's a fun and engaging activity that kids will love. What we like? This kit is perfect for beginners or those with limited space. It's a great value for the price and the small block size is ideal for smaller projects. If you are a beginner or have limited space, this is a great option to start your polymer clay journey. What people say? The clay is soft, easy to mold, and comes in a variety of vibrant colors. It's great for kids and adults alike, and the consistency allows for fine details in modeling. They are easy to work with and once they have been baked I found that you can use acrylic paint and acrylic markers on them. This made doing detail work easy. Great range of colors provided and quick and easy to bake. Some of the clays were more malleable than others but it all turned out okay. Number 3. Polymer Clay 50 Colors Kit. This 50-color polymer clay kit is perfect for kids and artists alike. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. With 50 rich colors to choose from, the possibilities are endless. Create anything you can imagine. This clay is incredibly easy to work with. It's non-sticky and won't fade, making it perfect for all skill levels. Made from soft polymer clay, it's free of wheat, nuts, and peanuts. It meets Aestd-ST 4236 safety standards. You can bake it in the oven, use a hairdryer for smaller pieces, or even try boiling it. Instructions are included. The kit comes with 50 colors of clay, sculpting tools, and a handy instruction manual, all in a convenient storage box. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of creativity. What we like? With 50 vibrant colors and a non-sticky formula, this kit is perfect for those who want a wide range of colors to experiment with. If you enjoy a large selection of colors and want a clay that is easy to work with, this is the kit for you. What people say. The clay is super soft but easy to mold and shape to your liking. Astounding choice of colors. It's great to have the tools that they've provided with it, and the organization is great. Number 2. Aestd-ST Polymer Clay Kit. Introducing the Aestd-ST Polymer Clay Kit, perfect for kids and artists alike. It's packed with 85 vibrant colors and everything you need to start creating. This kit boasts 85 colors of high-quality, non-sticky polymer clay. Each block is 0.7 ounces, giving you plenty to work with. It comes with 19 sculpting tools and 16 creative accessories to help bring your imagination to life. Everything you need is right here. It's non-toxic and conforms to ASTM 4236 CE, EN 71 safety standards. It's also easy to bake in the oven or even use a hairdryer for smaller projects. This kit makes a fantastic holiday gift for children. It helps develop their creativity, hand-eye coordination, and keeps them away from screens. Simply preheat your oven to 248-266 degrees Fahrenheit. Adult supervision is recommended for baking. Smaller pieces can be cured with a hairdryer. Our customer service team is here to help with any questions you may have before or after your purchase. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This kit offers an extensive collection of 85 colors and a wide array of tools and accessories. If you're an experienced crafter or simply love having a massive selection of colors to choose from, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The clay is super soft but easy to mold and shape to your liking. Astounding choice of colors. The clay remains pliable for a long time, so it is great for working and reworking. Number 1. ARTEZA Polymer Clay Kit. It features 42 vibrant clay bars that retain their vibrancy after baking. Mix, match, and blend to create unique colors and shades. This clay is soft and pliable, making it easy to mold and sculpt. Plus, it won't stain your hands. It bakes solid in your home oven in just minutes, making crafting quick and convenient. We are passionate about creating art supplies that inspire creativity and are accessible to everyone. We care about our customers and want you to have a great experience. We stand behind our products and will make things right if there are any issues. It's perfect for jewelry making, sculpting, and other crafts. Unleash your creativity with this versatile kit. What we like. This kit features 42 vibrant colors ideal for creating stunning jewelry and crafts. If you're an adult or teen looking for high-quality clay for intricate projects, this is the perfect choice for you. Its vibrant colors and smooth texture are perfect for detailed work. What people say. The variety of colors is incredible. It's perfect for sparking his creativity and bringing all his ideas to life. One of the best things about this kit is that the clay hardens all the way when baked in the oven, so his creations are sturdy and can be kept as keepsakes or gifts. It's easy to work with, and the quality is excellent. Purchase this for a craft session with 12 children, age 5 to 10. It was perfect and they all had a great time. A few children are still talking about it. There was enough clay for each to make 2 to 3 small sculptures. Clay is easy to mold, there is a wide array of colors and a couple of them look like metal. Kit comes with a few metal pieces to make earrings, keychain, charm, etc. Colors are amazing. They are vibrant, unusual, and even subtle difference make it worth it. The metallic colors are serviceable, but you can find better and more name brands. The colors after baking have a slightly translucent, light, airy sort of look to them. It's like they were mixed with a percentage of translucent clay. They condition quick and stick to each other well, making joining pieces together easy. Texturing tools are very nice, and the box makes travel and storage simple. Mixing it is amazing. I did quite a few marble pieces and the color transition is amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.